y'all, Ms. Sugo here. Today we are looking at dynamic quadrilateral properties, and this is an exploratory. So we are going to be moving some things around and just making observations about them. So here on Delta Math, they ask us to drag all four vertices of the following quadrilateral a significant amount until the vertex turns dark. So let me do that. First, depending on the device you have, it might be a little bit weird moving this around, but just grab a hold of it. And we're going to move it around. I moved it until the C and the B got dark. Now I'm going to move A and D. Notice that A got dark. I'm going to move D around a certain amount. And now D is dark. So it's important to do these until they get dark. And now they give us the measurements of the side lengths. What we're going to do is we are going to measure all of these things. Good news is, in order to measure them, you just have to click on what you want to measure. So you don't have to use a ruler, you don't have to use these tools. They give you the information. And after exploring for a while, we're going to determine which of the following properties are always true by dragging them to the right. So that takes us down here. We have a list of things that we want to look at, and we want to say, hey, this is not always true. This is always true. So let's look at our first statement. All four sides are congruent. Now, we want to measure the side lengths, and so it's already on there. Are all four of these side lengths congruent? No, this is 4.85 and this is 5.57. So in a parallelogram, in a quadrilateral especially, all of these sides do not have to be congruent. Now looking at the next one, opposite sides are congruent. So I'm still looking at side lengths. I'm looking at AD, BC. They are always congruent. These are always congruent. Opposite sides are parallel. Well, we are going to look at the angle measurement, and these are parallel. They're parallel because this right here, these are same side angles. They are supplementary, and so when angles inside of two lines are supplementary, that means that the two lines are parallel. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this here. Opposite sides are congruent. Opposite sides are parallel. And now what you guys have to do is you guys have to continue down the line looking at these statements and seeing when the statements are true and when they're not true. Okay, so have fun, move things around, and if you just want to change what you want to measure, you want them to show you, you'll look here. Okay, so come to office hour if you need help. You know where to email us, where to find us, and we do hope that you have fun with this exploratory lesson.